Hello friends, welcome on New Day New Dream YouTube channel. Today we are talking about dreaming of windows. A window in the context of dream and the Bible is a symbol of our own inner vision. The window can be linked to some aspect of your own mindset. Window is dreams shows us the importance of our own mind. We need to see why you had a dream about a window and more importantly what is might means. The windows of dream have different symbols of looking at the situation. No matter how old you are, it does not take long to follow our dreams. It intensifies after dreaming of reflection. This dream means that perhaps the most important step you can take is that you need to walk towards progress and finish what you have started. It is time to think about what kind of life you want to lead, and it is time to succeed. When we look through a window, we are seeing something different, a scene or something that attracts attention. If the window is clean, it may mean that you need to look more deeply into the areas of your life. Window can change our lives. A dream of dirty window can mean that there are things in life that they are not. You may be looking for a fresh start to see rain or snow from the window. The most important part of this dream is where you look at the window. If you are watching from your living room, it may mean that you are challenging your comfort levels. Seeing the window in the dream shows that you have to work very hard in your work. Dreaming of broken window. Seeing a broken window in your dream indicates that you may be accused of something or you can be punished without any reason for which you need to take care. A broken window is a bad sign for you. Rain see on a window in your dream. The rain that appears on a window in your dream may mean that the coming period is going to be very successful for you. Whatever you start or do is going to be successful, and it will happen in both your professional and personal life. Use your current opportunity and think of new ideas to invest in your money or improve your career. It is also a good time as far as relationships are concerned. Dreaming of an open window. An open window is a positive omen. If you are going in the air or opening a window to escape, it may mean that a page in your life is now over. Time to focus more on life. It can symbolize the feeling that you are changing for the best. No matter what, opening a window means closing something negative. Additionally, dreams can mean being open to new opportunities and changing your perspective. Closed window dream meaning seeing a closed window in your dream. It means indicate that you are feeling hopeless and lonely in your life at the moment. You recently ended a serious relationship and now you are feeling depressed and lonely. Dream is trying to unveil you. You will be trapped and it will be impossible to survive normally over time. You are probably going to meet someone and enjoy your life together. Fixing broken window. As I have already touched on, the entire glass window, which is not broken, is positive. However, looking at a broken window can be the opposite, but if you have fixed the window, it means that you can fix the problems. So, what does this means? Changing or fixing a broken window in your dream can indicate that you are currently reevaluate the situation and you acquire a new way of thinking in the process. Fixing a window for someone to see indicates fixing the problems of other. If you personally fix a broken window, the focus in on vacation and relaxation. This dream expands your perspective on the world around you and you hope that the result will be more knowledgeable. Seeing sunlight window in your dream, that means you are going to experience happiness. If you think of sunlight windows, they look up at the sky. This dream can look towards your own goals, find out what they are, and just keep going for it. Yes, windows are the omen of good luck. Whatever you decide will bring happiness and success. I think that looking at window and the sky outside represent a great time to embark on projects. This can be projects that you have been holding on for some time. As a result, this dream may indicate starting new goals. If you are unmarried, this is a positive time to start a relationship because it will work and it will bring happiness for both of you. Seeing yourself sitting at the window in the dream gives an unauspicious sign. To see yourself sitting at the window in the dream means that you are going to be in the grip of some disease or a relative of yours is going to be the victim of some disease. If you have such a dream, you or your relatives should take care of your health. Seeing face in a window dream. Seeing a face in a window in your dream can means that you have an emotional and physical detachment from other people. This is not a good thing to do because when the time comes and you need some help, you will not have the shoulder to cry. After the dream, you will need to start socialize with others and make some friends, help others in their time of needs, and they will help you when it comes to your need. To success is completely different. Dream about without view window. There may be a discover about a greater skill you hold. To dream getting out of the window indicates how you interact with others. If you dream of a window that did not have a view and it's just a dark place, then it means that other people will help you, will turn to you for. Dreaming about the prison window can represent the frustration you are currently struggling with. Try to understand the reason behind your feelings. The prison window means that you are trapped. Please make sure you focus on what is important in life to overcome a various cycle of negative emotion. It may be that your self has cut off by someone and you do not have much confidence in life. If so, you will need to get out of depression and think positive thoughts. So friends, that is all for today. If you like this information, then please like our video and subscribe our channel and share this video your friends and relative. Thanks for watching.